Hey guys, I am filming a video for my friend's baby shower today, but I have someone special for you to meet. Say hi, Nelson. Say hi. I think the light's a little bit bright for him. Oh no, it's okay. He's a little sausage dog. He's so cute, isn't he? Can you see him? Oh, I don't want to drop him. He's a baby. Oh. This is Nelson. He's like the family dog, aren't you? You're the family dog. He's so cute. Hi, say hi. He is just, he's just so adorable. You're so adorable. You are. Oh. Anyway, I better start the video because I could just do this all day. Oh, thanks for biting my hair. Is that nice? Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Okay. All right, let's get straight into it. I'm gonna go and give him to my dad so he's occupied. Yeah. Oh, thanks. Okay, so now let's get straight into it. I'm going for a lighter look today, but I need to hydrate my face first. So I'm gonna put the Touch oil on, just apply a few drops and you're good to go. But I usually just squeeze the whole thing and just pop it in my tear trough since I have bags, and then it just sort of runs out of them down my face. My nails done, they look purpley, but I love purple at the moment. It's like my fave thing. So I don't have a lot of time this morning, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna prep my eye with the soft ochre paint pot. I always go on about time, don't I? Because I literally have none, but that's okay. Ow, I don't know if you saw it. Look at that purple thing on my eye. I must have bashed my head on something and I don't even know what it was, but it's bloody sore. Anyway, I'm just trying to think like what I've hit my head on, what I've hit my head into. Oh, maybe it's when I dropped my phone on my face. Yeah. You know, when you're like looking at your phone and then you drop it on your face and you're like, you do that. Oh my God, that would be so ugly. But whatever I just did, you full do that face. So I'm going to use Madame Cosmetics today, this shade right here. And I'm just going to pop it on the middle of the lid and blend it up. I don't want to go too crazy because it's a day event, but I really can't help myself most of the time. Then I'm going to pop this shade here into my eye crease and a little bit down, and pop it on the outer corner just a tiny bit, and I'm going to get a different color brush and I'm going to blend it out. So I'm like, yeah, I'm going to do a lighter look, and then I'm like, bang, straight into the black. You know, I just can't not do it. I always try, I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna have a lighter look. It's just me, I just can't. That's pretty light for me, this look. And I'm just putting the Kylie highlighter up the top of my brow. Okay, so I have put my lashes and eyebrows on off camera. Actually, I need to fix this eyebrow, 1 second. This is the Studio Fix. That's slightly lighter than I wanted, but I'm going to bronze it up in a minute. Okay, so I'm just gonna set the jawline. I'm just chiseling with the Laura Mercier down the side of my face. Set my face with the Melissa Cecine powder. Gonna contour with my Anastasia Beverly Hills. and warm it up into the cheeks. Now I'm gonna use the Sun Ray Glow today. It's just like a little bit, not darker, it's just not as bright as other highlights. It's more like a yellowy highlight. Under my eye, I'm going to use the same colours that I used on the top of my eye. I'm going to use my Kylie Vanilla in the inner corner. Okay, so these are the new MAC Pro Longwear lip liners. Obviously, I got like every colour. I'm going to use Fresh Clay, and it's just a wind up, and you always use it on this angle toward the face, and you never really have to sharpen it or anything because it is a wind up. So I always like to do it first with like a neutral, I hate when this happens, neutral colour, and then I go around the outside with the darker colour. They didn't really have any darker ones that I liked, so now I'm like a bit struggling with this. This one's too dark, I think. Oh no, can blend it. Going for the behind the ear look. Oh my god, I have a cold and now my nose is running. What do I do? So guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you next time. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Bye. Oh my god, my nose is dripping. Attractive.